Hey guys, so I have some BMW news for you today. So BMW Canada just sent a bulletin to all of our dealerships, and it seems that they're going to be changing the no charge schedule maintenance, which has normally been 4 years or 80,000 kilometers. Now they're changing it to 3 years, 60,000 kilometers. So they're kind of cutting that down. That last year, I guess it's been costing them too much money. This really isn't too much of a surprise because it's already been changed in the States. The States got down to 3 years, I think 36,000 miles, I think. Don't quote me on that. You'd have to speak to somebody in the States who knows. But yeah, for us in Canada, we're gonna be going from 4 years, 80,000 maintenance to 3 years, 60,000 kilometer maintenance, whichever one comes first. And that's only gonna be for 2022 model years going forward. So if you already have a vehicle, don't worry about it, you're still covered. If you're purchasing a vehicle and it's gonna be a model year 2022 going forward, that's where the change is happening. So if it's a 2020, 2021, you've already purchased it, you've already factory ordered it, it's no big deal. If you did happen to place a factory order on a 2022 model already, make sure your client advisor is sending in a note to BMW because they are allowing a little bit of a grace period for vehicles that have already been ordered. It's not going to affect those ones, but going forward after February 10th, any vehicles ordered for the 2022 model year will now have this different no charge schedule maintenance period. I mean, it's still great. BMW is still one of the only manufacturers who are offering a no charge schedule maintenance, but all they're doing is just shrinking it 1 year from that 4 year down to the 3 year period. I think just because, and that 4th year, BMW is realizing that that's when most of the scheduled maintenance was happening. That was costing them quite a bit of extra money. So yeah, and they're cutting that down. So there's your BMW news for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like this video. It does help my channel grow. Let other people know about this BMW news. Consider subscribing. If you do subscribe to my channel, send me a screenshot either through my Instagram or the email that's in the description of this video, and you'll be entered in to win the giveaway contest I have going on for my next goal. Goal right now is 500 subscribers. So thank you guys very much. I'll see you next time.